Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and it's Monday again, and that means back to normal, doesn't it? Although, I don't know, I suppose for me, weekend, weekday, it's all very much the same. Gary's off sometimes during the week and sometimes at weekends, so everything is just the same, I suppose. And yet, I don't know why we cling on to this, oh, it's the weekend kind of thing. And yet, it don't matter, does it, really? Not really. And usually it's rubbish on the TV because it's weekend. Always has been, really, ever since I was a child. Awful on the telly at weekends. Sorry, I just forgot what that was. It's like a little angel that was hanging there. But it was turned, so I could only see the back of it. Okay, let's have a look and see what today's remember when sort of thing is. Okay, sorry about that. I had to get my neck right out. Fast food was what you ate during Lent. That's when you give stuff up, isn't it, then? You fast or give whatever it is. Yeah. Fast food was a thing that we hadn't invented at one point. Although, you know, we have always had kind of, since I was a little girl anyway, we've always had the Wimpy bar, which, you know, we all used to go to as kids before McDonald's was even here. It was everybody's favourite thing to go for a Wimpy. And their round sausage, which was unfortunately called a wiener. Yay! Got a little croaky! Woohoo! Yeah, what a name for it though, a wiener. I know it's a German name, but still. Well, got a couple of days where I intend to try and sort out the tutorial. I don't think I've even charged up my equipment yet, so I need to do that. Gary and I had a nice dinner today. We had, I've obviously you know that, well, many of you probably do, that I record this of the evening beforehand. The only one I couldn't do was today's because I wasn't well and I didn't record it, so it was late on, and now I've got to do two in a day, which is weird, but yeah, so I'm doing them in the evening for the morning, and it's worked out better for me until yesterday when I was a bit iffy. I'm all better now, thank goodness. It was only like one of those 24-hour things, and luckily it wasn't too bad, you know. I did have some real bad stomach pains, lots of kind of gripping pain, but other than that, it wasn't too bad. After I took the paracetamol, I went straight back to sleep, and I was fine. Although I felt a little iffy all day, if you know what I mean, like not quite up to my usual speed on things, you know, that's all. But we didn't do very much today, and Gary made dinner, which was lovely, and he made a cauliflower cheese. He does make absolutely lovely cauliflower cheese, and we had steak with that, and it was yummy. So yeah, I've kind of been experimenting with baby corn to make them nicer. We had that as well. But tomorrow I think I might have to do them. I bought some mincemeat, which across the pond you just call hamburger, which is weird. But yeah, it does seem weird calling like minced up meat burger when it's not going to be made into a burger, you know. But I'm just going to make some savoury mince, I think, something warm in, have some vegetables with it, try and I don't know if we've got any left actually, but yeah, or I could just make like a bolognese. I do have those pretend noodles that we could put with it. They're not too bad actually. I dread having them, but when I eat them they're not too bad. So I've uploaded near enough all of my products now. The only ones I haven't uploaded a single crochet hooks. I'm not sure if you've even seen the actual haul yet, but I've finished putting up all the things that I've bought, and I've already sold one. Can you believe? Got an order for it today. And I was like, whoa, I hadn't even really shown it, but they are extremely great. You know, I love them a lot. Anyway, I haven't really got much to tell you other than the fact that internet's been really weird this last few days. We even couldn't watch anything on the streaming services because it was just hanging, and it, you know, doing the wheel of doom going round, and it was awful. So we couldn't watch anything, and I thought if it's worse, you know, just as bad today rather, I'd report it. But it's been fine-ish so far. At least we've been able to watch it. But it kind of coincided when they opened the holiday camps, and it made me feel like, is that because there's more people using the system all of a sudden? But they have caravan internet, which isn't the same as mine. But whether it's because, you know, I don't know who provides it to those people who provide it, if you know what I mean. So maybe that just coincided. I don't know. But it was awful anyway. Even on the computer trying to do things, I had the wheel of doom. So yeah, I'm really tired actually. I had a bit of a broken night's sleep with being a bit under the weather, and also I could have just laid there on the sofa earlier on and just closed my eyes. In fact, I did, but I didn't fall asleep. We were kind of watching football, and in between that, getting up and doing bits for dinner. But I was flaked out, honestly. I just took the wind out of my sails. So I went out in the yarn van earlier, and I looked around and I thought, oh, I don't know how I'm going to make sense of all this yarn that I've taken out there. And I've got only one of these white cubby sets, and that's about six holes. Yeah, so 6 squares, and that so much stuff has got to go into the place where just 6 squares are, and they've already got loads of stuff in. That's the thing, when I put them out there, I put stuff in them. So yeah, it's a bit, but I was sorting a few things out, and where I'd got half of something left and another half, I put them in the same box so that it freed up a box for my new accessories and stuff that I've been getting lately. So that's good. At least they've been put away, but I really do need to try and make some sense of that massive lot of yarn. So as you can see, I'm really, really tired, and I do apologise not being my usual bouncy self. But I guess it happens to us all, you know, we all kind of get the odd little thing from time to time. So in between, like running out of energy and then doing a few things and running out of energy, Gary put up my shelves today. So a lot of the things that I put out here as ornaments, I've now taken in there. So I've managed to have like one of my shelves back for yarn. I have got another one that I can probably free up. But the countertop as well, put all of the books in that cupboard. I had the cupboard there and it was more or less empty. And I thought, you know, something can go in there that frees up space for something else. So that's kind of what I've done. I'm getting there gradually. It's just, it isn't easy. But the surfaces, you know, along the dressing table and units are a lot clearer. Now I've got the shelves, somewhere to put stuff, and old ornaments that come with me from my old house that I wanted to keep because I'd got them. I got a couple of things in Mallorca, and I bought them in a really nice shop too, not a cheapy shop, but somewhere quite, you know, nice. So I thought I'll get them, and they remind me of the place. So one's out in the yarn van, and the other one's in there now. But yeah, a few things in there. But it's freed up a lot of space, so I can now put my craft stuff in here and other stuff out there. Not all of it, obviously. Still got the cubbies at the end full up with my stuff. Can't really be helped. Anyway, I know I'm a bit boring. Kind of, I sort of feel it, where I don't feel like 100%. So I'm going to upload this one. And there are other videos popping up today. Watch out for those. And over there on Rocksteady as well, if you haven't already subscribed, there's a link in the description box. And oh yes, watch out for my next tutorial, which will be coming soon. Okay, bye for now. Take care, everyone.